And hann var í Ameríku og my father was in America and he was in Nevada and he went to the post office and he was gonna send a letter to Iceland and the woman said to him in the post office, "In what state is that?" And my father said, "It's not in America." "Not in America? But what state is that?" And my father went like, no, it's you know what Europe is? Then she thought Europe was a state in America. And my father said, no, Iceland is in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. It's a little island. And she had a big problem.